Now that you have seen what is included, let us take a look at the customer cost. The Digital Pro Pack required is $299 for the first month and $185 each month thereafter. The pricing shown is in US dollars, and the app should always be checked for the current figures. There is no long-term contract. It is month to month, which means you remain active because the platform continues to serve your learning journey and your goals, not because you are tied into a fixed term commitment. For many people, the customer route is all that they want. They want the academy, the platform, the tools, the scanners, the live sessions, the recordings, the app, and the community. And if that is you, that is a complete decision in itself. Now, the question is not simply what something costs. It is whether the value, support, and learning available are right for you. Take your time, ask the questions you need to ask, get them all answered from the person that invited you to this, and then make a decision based on what you genuinely want from it. Get back to the person and ask them for the exclusive link, as this is the only way inside of the platform.